Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make YouTube Shorts with Canva. So first is first, you just have to simply go to Canva, sign up or create an account right here. Once you have created an account, then go to Canva and I strongly suggest to upgrade into Pro version. Here in the create a design, you have to go to the search icon and then type YouTube Shorts. So it will show you these templates right here. Just pick or select YouTube Shorts, click this one. Inside Canva, you will see this different design. So it's up to you, whatever you want to create. For example, your niche is all about creating quotations or famous quotes, something like that. So you can look for a background, for example, aesthetic, but actually everything is up to you. Let's just say this one right here. So if you have selected a template or if you want to add this template to the blank page, you just have to double tap or drag the template to the blank page. For example, this one right here. Now, if you want to look for famous quotes in the easiest way, I strongly suggest to ask a help from ChatGPT. So you can open a new tab right here and then search for ChatGPT, and then here you have to search for famous quotes or popular quotes, something like that, and ChatGPT will generate this for you. All you have to do is to copy this and then paste it to your Canva. And of course, you have to include the author to give credit. So paste it right here. In Canva, you can change the font style, font size. You can add effects. You can change the color. And apart from that, you can also change the background image. So if you want to change the background image, all you have to do is just go to elements or upload your own photo and then search for sunsets and it will show you different pictures of sunsets right here. If you want to change the background, just drag it and then move it to the blank page. And this is what it looks like. Once done, you just have to simply tap on the share button above and then make sure that you have selected the MP4, download. After that, go to your YouTube, upload this, add a captivating or catchy title or caption, description, thumbnail using Canva, tags, and then upload. And basically, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.